Hello students, I am Meena Madam. Today I am going to start the third chapter of political science, that is political parties. Today we have to study about very first one is a definition, meaning, features, components and necessities of political parties. Second, functions of the political parties, and third, challenges to the political parties. So let us start with the definition and meaning of a political party. A political party is an organized group of citizens who share the same political views and who, by acting as a political unit, try to control the government. Next, we have to see the features of a political party. The very first one is a political party is an organized group of people. Second, this group holds the same view on social, political, and economic problems of the country. Third, its aim is to control the government by constitutional and peaceful means, that is election. Fourth, a political party does not aim at promoting any sectional interest. It works to promote national interest. Next topic that we have to study is what are the components of a political party. In fact, a political party has three components. The very first one is the leaders. Leaders are very important components of a political party, and their work is to determine party's policies and make active plan to achieve the party's objectives. Second component of a political party is active members. The active members implement the party's policies. And third component of a political party is followers. The followers of a party form the support base of the party. In fact, these are the followers who bring a party in power. Next, we have to study why political parties are so important. In fact, we can't think of a democracy without political parties. Without political parties, neither the government can be formed or nor there will be opposition. In fact, there are many reasons that make essential the existence of political party in democracy. The very first one is in the absence of political parties, every candidate in the election will be independent and it would be difficult for them to win the election. Second one is no one will be able to make any promise to the people about any major policy change, since it is beyond the capacity of a person or candidate to implement any policy alone. Third is the government may be formed by, but its utility will remain ever uncertain. Fourth is no one will be responsible for how the country will be run. And fifth one is the political parties are important for representative democracy, as they bring representatives together to form the government. Next, we have to study the functions done by the political parties. Every political party does a number of functions. These are, the very first one is contest election. The main objective of every political party is to form government through constitutional means, and it is contesting election. Political parties nominates their candidate to contest the election and try to win more and more seats in legislature. Second function is formulate policies and programs. Every political party formulates its views on different social, economic, and political issues of the country and try to get public support in the favor of their policies and form government for solving country's issues. Third function is form and run government. A political party that gets majority of seats in legislature form the government. In fact, ruling party has mandate. Mandate means permission from the people to implement its policies and programs. Fourth function is role of opposition. All other parties other than the ruling party work as an opposition and check the whims and choices of the ruling party. A strong opposition works as a protector of democracy. Fifth is shape public opinion. Common people are not aware about the things happening at national and international level. It is political parties that tell common people about all these and help them to make opinion regarding different issues. Sixth point is a link between government and people. It is political party that inform common people about the government's activities and convey the people's problem to government so that government can work in the interest of the people and the country. Next topic that we have to study about is that challenges to political parties. Political parties are indispensable. Indispensable means necessary for our representative democracy. However, doubts are often raised about their ability to bring essential social, political, and economic changes in the society. The political parties disappoint the people on account of first one is lack of internal democracy in political parties. While the political parties are considered effective instrument of democratic decentralization, there is no democracy within the parties. The lack of internal democracy is seen in different terms. First one is parties do not keep membership register. Second, parties do not hold organization meetings. Third, parties do not conduct internal election regularly. Fourth, ordinary members do not get sufficient information about the party's activities. Fifth, ordinary members do not have the means to influence parties' decisions. Second challenge is dynastic succession. Dynastic succession is common feature to most of the political parties, both at the national and state level. Top position in most of the political parties become hereditary. Other members can't even think to reach this position. It is against the norms of democracy. Third challenge is growing role of money and muscle power. There is the domination of money and muscle power in most of the political parties. Those with money and muscle power control the different organs of the party and work as pressure groups within the party. Fourth is no meaningful choice before the voters. There is no meaningful differences between the policies and programs of different political parties at both center and state level. In fact, all political parties work for their own interest. All parties confuse the voters. Listen this video very carefully and answer these questions. First one is define a political party and mention its features. Second, what are the components of a political party? Third, why do we need all political parties? Fourth is describe the different functions of political parties. And last one is what are the challenges to political parties? One more question. There is a lack of internal democracy in a political party. Discuss.